An almanac gives information about sunset and sunrise. For today's almanac, I would like to invite my friend Shravani Kare.
Shravani Ravindra Kale, an almanac. It's 9th of January 2026 Friday. Today sunrise at 6:40 a.m. and sun will set on 6:50 p.m. Thank you friends.
I would like to invite my friend Bharti Thorat.
Hi friends, good morning. Myself Bharti Nitin Thorat. Today I am presenting a day special. First, non-resident Indian Day means NRI. Second, on 9 January 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. Thank you.
Thanks, Bharti. Many successful people have experienced some kind of failure and they build from those lessons. They say a small positive thought can change our morning assembly. For today's thought, I would like to invite my friend Ishika Shirsat.
Hi friends, good morning. Myself Shirsat Ishika Sandeep. Today I am presenting a good thought. Believe yourself and the world will believe you. स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेवा आणि जग तुमच्यावर विश्वास ठेवेल. Thank you.
Ishika for this beautiful thought. News gives information about country's economic situations, sports, games and trade. It also gives us clear idea and understanding of what happening in our country and also in whole world. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite my friend Aradhya Kandarkar.
Hello everyone, myself Kandarkar Aradhya Ravi. Today I am presenting news headline. First, Trump says US to receive up to 50 million barrels of Venezuela oil at market price in controversial foreign policy move. Second, PM Narendra Modi and German Chancellor Friedrich meets to attend the International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad on January 12. Third, ISRO announced PSLV 62 million on January 12 to launch the EOS and One Earth observation satellite and 17 payloads. Fourth, PV Sindhu storms into second round of Malaysia Open Super 1000 with a strength games win as a Satvik Chirag and other Indian shelters also began 2026 champion today. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Aradhya. Stories gives us some important values and knowledge. To make today's assembly more interesting and beautiful, I would like to invite my friend Thola Swaraj to present a moral story.
Hello everyone, I wish you a wonderful morning to honorable dignitaries, respected teachers and my dear friend. Myself Thoraswara Dattatray standing in front of you to motivate on short story. Today's story, Focus on Your Goals, shows that how staying focused and making a right decision can change our entire life. One day a deer was wandering in the forest in search of water. Its throat was parched. But even searching water long time, it couldn't find any water. After while exhausted, it sat under a tree. Suddenly, he heard the sound of river. It ran towards the sound and found a huge river. Seeing the river, deer felt overjoyed, like he found a new life. It quickly went to the river and bent down to drink. Just then, it heard a sound to its right. It looked and saw the hunter aiming an arrow at it. Then it looked at left and noticed a lion is hiding behind the bushes and turned around in panicking and saw the fire. The dangerous had surrounded him with all sides. The deer paused for a moment and started thinking deeply and decided, since the death is certain, I will at least drink water before I die. At that very moment, dark cloud gathered and started raining. Fire put out because of the rain. At that very moment, hunter accidentally shoot the arrow on lion, but deer focused on drinking water. When he put up his head and saw the lion and hunter was gone and the fire had put out. Lesson from this story, like deer, Problems in our life comes from all direction, but panicking does not help. We need to stay focused in our life. म्हणजेच आपल्या आयुष्यात हरणासारखे समस्या सर्व दिशेने येतात, पण जर आपण आपल्या कामावर लक्ष केंद्रित केले तर त्या समस्या हळूहळू आपोआप दूर होतील. फक्त आयुष्यातील समस्या दूर करण्यासाठी आपल्याकडे धैर्य, संयम आणि योग्य निर्णय घेण्याची क्षमता हवी. घाबरू नका, काम करत राहा. एक दिवस जग तुमच्याकडे आदराने बघेल. थँक्यू फ्रेंड्स.
Thoughts and inspire us. I would like to invite my friends to present a meaningful conversation on hard work brings a success.
Kita Sharad from 8C. Today we are presenting a small conversation. Please listen us carefully. My role is Ankita.
Hello friends, good morning. Myself Akshara Sunil Dhanote. My role is Akshara.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Babri Vaishnav Nitin. My role is a Vaishnav.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Pangavan Shravani Suresh. My role is a Shravani.
Hello friends, why are you so quiet today?
I am scared for my exam. I feel I am not ready for my exam.
Don't worry, Akshada. Hard work always help us success.
Yes, regular study is better than studying of the last moment.
Yes, you are correct. I will study daily and try my best.
Very good, Akshada. Never be afraid of hard work.
We should never giving up on our goals.
Success comes to those who keep trying.
Hard work brings success. Thank you.
राधाबाई काळे शाळेला वंदन करूया, ज्ञान शिस्त संस्कारांनी पुढे जाऊया. स्वप्नांना पंख देऊ, आकाश गाठूया, देश सेवेसाठी सदैव सिद्ध राहूया. गुरुजनांचे मार्गदर्शन नजरेत आपुलकी, मेहनतीने घडते इथं जीवनाची रूपरेषा. मुलींच्या हातात भविष्य उज्ज्वल सारे, स्वाभिमानाने चालत नवे मार्ग धरूया. एकतेची शिकवण हात हातात साऱ्या, यशाच्या शिखरावर उंचावलेला अभिमान. इथं वाहतो गुणवत्तेचा स्वच्छ झरा. हीच आमची ताकद, हीच आमची